In this video, I'm about to show you the best setting on the Blackmagic Camera App for perfect pictures and videos on iPhone. First, use HAVC H265 for high quality compression. Then set it up 4K for the best detail and clarity. Now choose Apple Lock for more dynamic range and better color grading options. Set to 24 FPS for a cinematic look. Lock to 1/48 of a second for 24 FPS. Adjust based on light conditions, but start around 800 to 1600. Now set manually to ensure accurate color. Adjust as needed to avoid overexposure or underexposure. Enable to help with exposure levels. Then use lookup tables, LUTs, for color grading. Set to around 95% to highlight overexposed area. Set to an internal microphone or an external mic if available. Now choose AAC for good quality audio. Set to 48K Hz for professional audio quality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.